guys, so we're here today to paint our front grille for the Mercedes Benz C200 compressor 2006. Just gonna paint with Plasti Dip the upper part and the lower part of the grille. Alright, so we're gonna pop up the bonnet.
Okay, using an 8mm socket, we unscrew the grille. And the grille's off.
So at the moment the grill is already clean, it's been prepped from yesterday night. So found out that the lower part of the bumper is unique and we cannot remove it.
It's a one-piece mold, it can't come off.
Yeah, so gonna need to put some paper around it and some sticky tape and just plastic dip it properly. Right, so we've got a stand here. The front grille. So what are we using this time for the plastic dip, John?
Plasti Dip, the original.
Yeah, so it's from Performix and it's multi-purpose. You can use it for your rings.
Just shake it well. The first coat is one light coat.
Yeah, just a light touch-up.
Both directions. So you wait 10 minutes.
Alrighty.
We're painting the under bonnet grille on the Mercedes 200 compressor. We'll be changing this color to red. So we're going to mask up the areas we don't want painted.
And also behind the bumper, we don't want the plastic dip to go behind the radiator.
For the area we don't want to be seen, to be sprayed. So the area to be sprayed is nice and clean and ready to be sprayed. We give it one light coat at the beginning. And leave it at that till it dries.
It's the first coat on the lower grille.
Okay, we're ready for our second coat. First spray is working. Give it a nice even coat. One more. And that's it. Wait for it to dry.
Alright.
So we're going to do our fourth coat. Wait for it to dry.
Again 10 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yep. The more the better. Alrighty, so we go for the fifth coat now.
A little bit heavier.
Yep. Already looking awesome. Then we drop on all the corners and make sure we plastic dip even the inner sides.
You're done. Just going to give it 20 minutes and then leave the final coat.
Yeah. Beautiful. All right.
Ready
So we clear up the nozzle, just do a test spray. It's the fourth coat. It's already looking good. Beautiful, John. I think this is gonna be awesome. Alright, fifth coat.
Sixth coat.
Six. Losing count, man. Again, go from all the angles. I believe that 6 coat, John, is recommended.
Recommended, not too much, just enough.
And if at some point you want to remove it, then it's going to be easier for you to remove. So the more the coat is going to be fillable.
Finished.
10-15 minutes again.
Yep, this is ready to put on.
And ready to put on.
Yeah, last coat.
Alright, last coat, 6 coat, recommended. It's our personal opinion though.
That's it, and you wait for it to dry.
Alrighty.
Okay, now the finished product is done in colour. We're putting extra gloss finish, which is the glossifier.
Yep.
As if you like a gloss finish or a matte finish. I like a gloss finish. So give it 2 coats.
Yep.
One now. And when it dries, another coat.
Again, same procedure. Go around from every angle.
Leave that dry.
Alright, so we're gonna put some glossifier also on the lower part of the bonnet, on the grille. Again, 2 coats for this one also. And we're gonna remove the paper on the end once we apply the last coat. What do you think, John?
Excellent.
Let's see, once we remove the paper, and see the end result. John. Alright, let's go for the second coat. Last one.
Once it dries and she's finished, put back on the car.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Okay, so last coat of the glossifier. And after this we're gonna remove the paper. We don't want it to get dry. Alright, so I'm just gonna help John to remove it and we're gonna see the end result. Alright. So this is the finished lower part of the grille. Already looking awesome. Look at this beauty, John.
Beautiful, beautiful job.
So easy with,
Makes the car stand out.
and so easy with Plasti Dip, right?
Yep.
Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna put the front plate and
Ready to go.
also the top part of the grille, and we're gonna have again another look. Yeah?
Yep.
Beautiful. Alrighty. So we're gonna put back the top part of the grille. Alright, let's open up the bonnet. Alright, John, let's put the
And
let's put it back.
finished product is done.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Alright, I reckon we can.
That is the main front end.
You can just reverse the car. It's gonna show better in the light.
Yeah, take care of the sun.
Alright, we'll do it in a bit. Let's go for it.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, like
So what do you reckon, John?
Yeah, it looks good.
It's like a facelift, right?
Plastic surgery.
It's a plastic surgery for our Mercedes. Ah. Alright guys, thank you for viewing. Please put the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we really appreciate it. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Please follow us.